everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this quick and easy snowflake ornament. For this project I'm going to use number 3 lightweight yarn with a 4mm crochet hook. You're going to need wood ornaments. I bought mine at the Dollar Tree and they come in a pack of 3. Some sort of beads. Here I have plastic pearls and a hot glue to glue it all together. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the first chain to join. Here we made a circle and we're going to work double crochets using the circle. For round 1 we're going to start with the chain 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. I am holding on to this yarn tail to work it in as I work on my double crochets. Let's go ahead and work 1 double crochet into the ring or into the circle. So far we have a chain 3 which stands as the first double crochet and we just worked 1 more double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Back into this ring, you're going to work 2 double crochets. Here's 1 and go back into the ring and work a second double crochet. Let's repeat. We're going to chain 3 and work 2 double crochets using this ring. 1 and work 1 more double crochet. Let's repeat one more time. We're going to chain 3 and work 2 double crochets using this ring or the circle. You're going to continue on this pattern for round 1 and at the end you should have 6 chain 3 spaces, so we need to work 3 more. At the end of round 1 this is how it looks like, and right over here to end this round I went ahead and I chained 3, and to finish it we're going to slip stitch using the top of the 3rd chain. So count from the bottom. Here's 1, 2, 3, and right over here pick up this chain, both loops, and slip stitch to end round 1. And at the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain 3 spaces. For round 2 we're going to slip stitch to get to the chain 3 space, and right over here is our next double crochet, so go ahead and slip stitch using the top of that double crochet and slip stitch one more time to get to the chain 3 space. Let's go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch back into this chain 3 space. Chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch back into the same chain 3 space. Now we need to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch back into the same chain 3 space. And now we're just going to repeat by chaining 5, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch. So chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. And one more time, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch back into the same chain 3 space. Let's continue. We're going to go ahead and slip stitch on top of these 2 double crochets. So slip stitch and slip stitch on top of the next double crochet and slip stitch one more time to get to the chain 3 space. And we're going to repeat what we did here. We're going to start by chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch. And notice I'm moving them to the side so I can open up more room. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, and chain 5 one more time and slip stitch back into the same chain 3 space. And that's pretty much the pattern. What you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch on top of the double crochets and then slip stitch into the chain 3 space, and you're going to start by chaining 5, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 7, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, and chain 5, slip stitch all around. And I'll meet you at the end of this round to show you what to do next. At the end of round 2, this is how it looks like. To end this round, right over here where we worked our chain 5 and slip stitched, we're just going to chain 1 and cut our yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it. You could also tighten the center. And we're now weaving in the yarn tails. You can if you want to, but right over here, we're just going to double knot it in the back. And cut your yarn tails. We are going to be gluing the snowflakes, so we don't need to weave in the yarn tails. And here's our finished snowflake. Using our wooden 3-inch ornament, we're going to go ahead and string the snowflake using one of the chain 7s. I'm just going to go ahead and use the string and attach it that way first, so that way the string is showing in the front. And then next we're going to go ahead and glue. To glue on the snowflake, I'm just going to go ahead and add glue right over here where the chain 7s are, all around, and then I'm going to add some in the middle. Add a little bit of glue and then press it down. It is hot, so be careful. And then repeat again. You're going to add a little bit of glue and press it down. Before I move on, I'm going to add some glue right in the center. And then continue. Stretch it out. And now you can go ahead and add some glue where the chain 5 points are. I made a little bow on the top, and this is how it looks like so far. You can stop here or you can add beads if you like to, and that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to go ahead and glue down beads right over here where the chain 7s are and one in the center. And here's our finished snowflake ornament. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.